Salon. Salon is quicker than a locomotive. Faster than a steamboat. Salon is twice the fast. Salon offers personal loans and loans on your car. Easy to solve. Salon. Salon. The bad and the ugly cannot be Salon. If it's easy, it must be Salon.
Amy, look what time it is. This is your family coming.